video we will learn about what is anonymous object in Java. In Java, an anonymous object refers to an object that is instantiated without assigning it to reference variable. It is typically used for one-time use and does not have a named reference to access it later. Here a breakdown of its usage, rules and example. Anonymous object is that object which is created without any reference variable. We can use it only once. Because it has no name, we cannot use it later. Usage of anonymous object. Anonymous objects are often used in a situation where a temporary object is needed just to perform a single operation or a method call. They can simply be encoded by avoiding the need to declare a separate variable for the object. Rules for anonymous object. No reference variable. Anonymous objects are created without assigning them to a variable. Single use. They are typically used for immediate method invocation or operation. Short-lived. They are short-lived because they cannot be reused after the method invocation or operation that they are created for. Instance initialization. Anonymous object can have their instance variable initialized and method called just like any other object. Example. We have example of class calculator which has a method add. Now we create an anonymous object. New calculator is an anonymous object. We don't provide any reference variable to it. We just call add method on it, and this add method return result which come in this result value. So we don't use any reference variable. It is an example of anonymous object. We directly use it without providing it any reference variable. Benefits of anonymous object. Simplicity. They simplify code by eliminating the need for named reference variable. Clarity. They make code more readable when the object purpose is straightforward and does not need to be referenced elsewhere. Limitation of anonymous object. Cannot reuse. Once the method call or operation is complete, you cannot reuse anonymous object for another operation. Limited scope. They are typically confined to a narrow scope and are not stable for situation where you need to access the object later in the program. That's all about anonymous object.